Hello everyone, it's my 18th day of practicing spoken English. I hope you are doing well in your life. Yesterday I spoke only in past tense what I did from last 20 years. Now I am speaking only in present tense. Maybe sometimes I use future or past tense both, but the main focus on me, the main focus on present tense. Okay, now let's go. Before starting, I want to tell you something. I am here not to get views, not to get subscribers. I am here just to enhance my spoken English, just to practice my spoken English on a daily basis. And it's 18th day. I don't believe that I have completed my 17th day of practicing spoken English and 1 month of academy. Now let's go without any late. Okay, so today my name is Sahaj Bhaskar. I am 19 years old. I am walking on my roof of the building and I saw there is a girl from the another side of the building, and she's on the top of the floor and she can't see me, but I see her. I can see her, and she is walking just like me. Maybe she's thinking something in her mind, and I am here to just practice. You already know. So my one friend messaged me, please pay me 30 rupees because maybe he need it, but I will not pay him because I know he will spend it on smoking, or maybe maybe he spend it on top up on the game. So I don't want to pay 30 rupees to him. And one aeroplane is in the sky. I can see it. He's moving fast and he's very bright. There is so much cloud, still it is very bright. I can see it totally. Now it's 3 minutes completed, 2 minutes 30 seconds completed. Now remaining 7 minutes left. So what I need to speak? Okay, I would like to tell you about my home. My home is approx 2000 square feet. Is in the 2000 square feet area, and there are two eco van parked here, and one tree exists, and there are so much bikes. Sorry, there are three bikes in my home. One is for my father, one is my brother, and one is for me. Now, and one big gate is also exist here, and on outside there is also a bathroom. And when someone enter in my room, there are three ways to enter in our home. The first one, when someone enters with the first gate, he enters in the ground. Maybe we call it Brahmda ground. Sorry. And another one is for room. The another is one for, it is mostly closed. It is opened when needed, but maybe every time it is closed. And the another gate, someone use it to he can see, it is stair. It is stair here for go to that roof. And I am on the roof. I am walking while recording videos, but still I stuck. I promised you I will not stuck while speaking, but still I stuck to speaking, to communicating. And I know I understand what people say in English, but still I made mistake while speaking. I don't know why. Maybe I need more practice, I need more exercises, I need more about English. Now it's 5 minutes completed, remaining 5 minutes left. So uh, remaining 5 minutes, I want to tell you about what I will do after this class, after this recording. Okay, after this recording, uh, I am feeling starving, so I will have some lunch after this video. Before lunch, after lunch, I go to my bed. I will go to my bed for sleep. But before go to bed, I revised. I will revise what I studied in my class, what I learned in my class, and watch some videos in English. I will watch some videos in English, and now I can see it's 6 minutes completed, and I don't know what to speak. My mind is stuck here, but still I am trying. Okay, there is Dish TV, and which mention Airtel on it, and so much clothes are hanging there, maybe for dry, but it's night, so they must be uh, they must be collect it, but they still not. Okay, and I saw trees are not moving here because maybe they all are asleep. I heard that in my childhood that if trees are not moving, it means it is sleeping. In day we can see, and we mostly see trees moving, their their leaves, their branches moves, but in night it is totally silent, completely silent, quiet. Maybe they will sleep, they would sleep. Okay, it's 7 minutes completed. Now I would like to share my experience, what I experienced today. Okay, I I wake up I woke up late at morning. Generally I woke up at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. between, in this time. But today I wake up at 8:30 a.m. And when I saw the time, I realized I needed to go to work. Then I prepared myself to go for work, and I leave at 9 a.m. I needed to reach my office before 9:30, but today I got late for 6 minutes. I reached my office at 9:36 a.m. And after that, my manager didn't say me anything because maybe it's rare. So I got late, but it's my first time, so he didn't scold me. Maybe I will repeat this mistake. They will scold me in future. Maybe this will happen. So after that, it's Sunday morning. So there is a rush for, because I am a sales executive in a Honda showroom. So in sales there is always rush on Sunday. Many people who have week off on Sunday, they buy something at Sunday. So because of this, my office has rush. So I today I totally busy. I didn't take any rest, but I get sick. I got sick as today between my office work. I got cold and headache and one eye and pain in my one eye. And because of this, I didn't focus on my work, completely focus on my work, but I still did my work with passion. Okay, then everyone says that please Leave away from us. You got cold, you also spread it to us. Please leave away from us. Stay away from us. Then I agree with them. I focused. I I am not standing in front of them, in closest to them, and then I I leave at 7:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. I took a auto, uh, and I paid them 20 rupees, and he dropped me on my destination. And after that I walked on my room, on my home, for my home. Then I am here, I reached, and I am on my road. Now it's 10 minutes, 11 minutes completed. I know today I made lot of mistakes because I don't know how to speak English. I know how to speak English, but it's still I made mistake. Still I make mistake. Still I stuck between the sentences, between conversation, between while speaking English. Maybe I will improve through this practicing. Maybe I know, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day I will succeed. So it's over for today. I will meet you tomorrow, and thank you so much for hearing me. And you can see my first video, and this is my 18th video of practicing spoken English, and I can see I am improving. So it's good night all of you. I will meet you tomorrow.